Hey guys, how's going? This is Askkovid from Askkovid YouTube channel, and welcome back to another video tutorial in this channel. So this video is gonna be over a comment that I got in my previous video. The comment was, what are the most important things necessary for learning machine learning? So we'll be seeing in this video top 4 skill set you need for machine learning. So without getting said, let's jump right into it. So guys, number 1 is mathematics. So in mathematics also there are lots of things you have to know. So first one is probability and statistics. So this is the main important thing you need to know in machine learning beginning phase also, because the machine learning works on supervised model and unsupervised model. So they kind of are related to statistics, and the result are just the prediction. So you must know the knowledge of probabilities. Another thing in mathematics is calculus. So you have to know about some of the calculus, pre-calculus. Another one in this is linear algebra, in which matrices and other things falls on. So after mathematics there comes programming skills in number 2. So what type of programming skills? So like learning random languages is not good for you, because AI and machine learning has their own specialized programming languages, which has tons of frameworks and libraries for especially for machine learning. So the first one is always my recommendation, Python, because I also teach you Python in this YouTube channel also, and in my private tutoring class also. And if you want to get it, you can email me down. And yeah, so the main is I suggest, in my opinion, the main is Python, and others are also very much efficient and very much good. I'm not telling that it's not good and it's bad. Java, Python, R and C++ are most necessary and which are great for machine learning. These are the kind of programming languages you can choose, and you can choose one and start expertising in that field and go on to others. And in programming skills also you need some more skills, okay, like algorithms like bubble sorting, genetic algorithms and greedy algorithms, and lots of others, right? So you can go and take some courses on algorithms and learn some knowledge, get some knowledge about algorithms, because all the things while programming also, and while machine learning, while making artificial intelligence model, and all of these needs algorithms. With that being said, and next one programming skill is data structure, and next one is object-oriented programming. So if you don't know even the basic of object-oriented programming, you can subscribe to this channel and go to the playlist section. There I have put OOP with Python, and if you don't know Python, then there is a playlist called Learn Python Programming, and you can learn it and make you expertise on Python. And that's great, because I am here to help you guys. So if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe. Third thing necessary for machine learning is data analysis. So in data analysis also there are lots of things which fall into this thing. So first thing is big data. So what is big data? So big data is massive amount of data, okay, as the word says, big data, so high amount of data. So another thing in data analysis is data pre-processing. So you should learn this skill. This is very much important. And next one is SQL and other kind of query languages. And fourth, but it's not the least, it's a very much important thing in machine learning, not only machine learning, in every sector of programming, also not programming, also in every sector of your life, problem solving capacity. So what does that mean? Okay, so the problem solving capacity is your ability to solve a given problem. Okay, so let's say I am given a work of problem of creating a website for disaster management. Like I have to take data from big sensors, and I have to show it by manipulating all the data and by predicting how will be the upcoming status of the disaster. So for this you have to think a lot, and all the programming stuffs are lesser than what you think. Okay, so most of the work of the whole problem solving will be done over here, right? So I suggest you to start problem solving, and you practice to solve problems, and you can go through coding interview questions, you can go through coding competitions, you can go through algorithmic challenges and lots of others like Kaggle, Lead Code. There are lots of others, and you can go and participate. Even if you have coding competition in your local areas, you can go and join them. Don't neglect them, because these are the small things which make you big. Okay, so try to solve a problem, try to play games like chess, mastermind and lots of others. You can play those and make you expertise on problem solving capacity. So guys, this was for today's video. Hope you guys liked this video. If you guys do like, please don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to share this video with your friends who are interested in machine learning and artificial intelligence, and especially on technology. And if you don't do that, then the world is missing something. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel also, and don't forget to go and visit all the my social media, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, that is Askkovid, and I'll be posting my current updates and daily routines and what I do daily on the Instagram, and don't forget to follow me on that. And yeah, I'll meet you in the next one.